All right, Rob Fraser here. So, wanted to drop a new video. How I am going to be making money blogging with Exitus Elite. How I am making money blogging with Exitus Elite. And so, there's a whole bunch of different reasonings behind this or whatever, but getting into it, I see a lot of affiliate marketers online sharing different strategies and tips and things like that. And it's always been one of my questions that are they really talking about what they're currently doing? And so what I mean by that is, I'm getting it, dude, hang on. And so what I mean by that is a lot of marketers talk about ways of making money online, but you know, it's always been a question of mine. Are they actually doing what they're talking about? And I keep looking over here, and the camera's right there. So what I mean is, I've seen marketers talk about how to make money off of Craigslist, for example. But I always wondered, are these people actually posting on Craigslist? Or some people say this is how you make money with Pinterest without a website. And I'm wondering, are these guys really doing what they say they're doing? Are they really posting on Pinterest without a website, sending people directly to a replicated marketing system and making money? Are they actually sharing what they are actually doing? And so rather than getting into ethics and seeing if people are actually doing this or not, I am just going to start my own series. Yeah, I'm getting the kid some lunch as I'm doing this video here. So my whole thing is I'm going to launch this whole series, and it's not really going to be a series. It's just what I'm going to be sharing on my channel and on my blog from here on in. Which is basically what I'm doing on a daily basis to build my business. Pretty much exactly what I'm doing. And you're going to get the exact business, the exact system, the exact places I'm posting, and just to throw it out there, what I'm currently doing is going to be blogging, promoting that blog on Pinterest, and still along, you know, the lines of everything else I've been doing. Clicks, buying traffic, solo ads, traffic for me, Udemy solo ads, MLM leads, making connections on social media, posting on social media, and then my content, YouTube, my podcast, my blog, everything like that. And it may seem like a lot, but it's really not. It's really just those three things that I'm doing. My clicks, buying traffic, my content, videos, my blog, basically just documenting my daily journey, and my connections, what I'm posting on social media, how I'm talking to people, things like that. So all of that being said, stay tuned. And also in the description of this video, when I do post it, upload it to YouTube, I'm going to put a link to my blog talking about my first day. And it's really going to be centered around blogging and Pinterest, because the whole thing that got me to this point was I used to just buy, what was my bread and butter in the beginning was doing YouTube and buying traffic. And I found out a lot about what people do with traffic, how they have lead stuffers and bots and fake emails, and they'll have a program to actually put in real emails to your capture page, but the person didn't actually opt into your capture page. So there's all sorts of crap like that out there that's been happening with paid traffic, and it's not in all places. But after going through a lot of that struggle and trial and things like that, I just decided, why not just launch the website? And I know there's other marketers saying, oh, the website is dead and nobody's going to read your blog posts and things like that. But I have a very specific way of doing business that it doesn't matter if your SEO is good or bad, or if a website is dying, because I combine all three of my marketing modalities. And I know I'm getting into the weeds here, but I just want to throw this out there. This is what I do. Excuse me. I buy traffic. I send it to a capture page. I do videos like this. I blog. If people are interested, and if you come across this video and you want to work with me, in the description is going to be a link to my capture page. Go there, click it, and opt in, and you'll see how my system works. So I send that to a capture page. Hang on, dude. Send people to a capture page, and they opt in. Bubs, I'm getting it, dude. This is, the life of me. Where when I do a video, he's not paying attention to me. The moment I do a video, and usually I don't let him get away with just saying, hey, I'm thirsty, give me a drink. But I can only focus on one thing at one time. So that being said, I send the traffic to a capture page. And then when people get on my email list, I email them my blogs and my videos. So even though my videos may not be watched on YouTube, I email that to my email list. Same thing with my blogs. And that's how I get traffic to my websites. And it all starts working together. Same thing with social media. And I'll get into more how this works as we go on. But that being said, I'm promoting Exitus Elite with the Power Lead system, something called the Easy Automatic system. I Russell Brunson my business. So what that means is I read Expert Secrets, his book, multiple times, and I've applied what he shared in that to my business. And if you opt in, you'll see exactly how that works. You'll see how I use the bridge page, everything. And so it's my whole intent to just lay out my business, what I'm doing on a daily basis, so you'll see exactly what I'm doing. I'm going to be uploading 2 blogs, 2 videos, and 2 podcasts. 6 pieces of content every single week, just detailing my plan. So whatever day this gets uploaded, every 3 days or so, you're going to see a new video. Same thing with my blog, same thing with podcast. So that being said, if you want to document this journey, like, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment below. If you just came across me, if you want to work with me, if you want to see how I'm marketing using my email list and things like that to promote my videos, my blogs, in the description is going to be a link to my capture page. Click it, opt in, and then you'll see exactly how I'm doing my business. And you just kind of follow along. You could do the same thing with your business or join me in my business and work the same plan. Either which way, let's do this. Name's Rob Frazier. We'll see you in the next video. All right, dude, let's get you some milk.